Oh,
Three,
look at
two,
who we're versing,
one.
guys.
we still gonna lose.
Robots may only hold a limit of 8 in auto before starting.
Yeah, there's no preload.
Ryan, move, Ryan, move, Ryan, move! Please, Ryan, I beg you! Please move!
Oh, climb. No, is this climb?
Oh, brother, this guy did not do his one job.
Bro, that ranking
guys,
point is like saying goodbye, bro.
It was lagging. It's not my fault. Oh
what do you
my!
mean? We have triple. Oh wait! My walls are working, guys.
Oh my god.
It's not my fault. It was lagging. Oh, I'm shooting the balls into the void.
Bro couldn't do his one job.
Okay, wait, we're about to start.
Ryan, you gotta move. You gotta move. I have a wall down. I have.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
The Great Wall of China over here.
Is it just? Yo, I sometimes can't tell if the server's lagging or it's the actual bot.
Start. Okay, Ryan, what are you shooting at, bro?
Everything.
Whoa, my lag, bro. Holy.
It's not my fault. It's Amazon's fault.
Amazon.
I blame Jeff Bezos.
I blame Jeff Bezos. Every team sponsored by Amazon gonna hear that now. I wish you could deploy both the walls down, not just one.
Yeah.
Pushing. Oh my god.
Make sure we don't miss a single one.
Yo!
I think we were trying to push.
Guys, I'm gonna stay here and make sure we don't
It's about
miss
to
a
start. It's
single
about
one.
to start.
I'm gonna make sure that we don't miss a single one.
Okay, you jumped the wrong way, bro. I can't tell if you did that on purpose or you're just stupid.
That
Probably
was
both.
not on purpose.
Whoa, lag.
I'm phasing through the hub.
No.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, 40.
Period's gonna go
Guys,
on
that
for
was-
the rest of the period.
Yeah, for the rest of the game. Remember that we all need to climb.
We. As Ryan misses his auto climb. How many is that in auto? 15?
50.
Yeah, it's 50.
Okay, I'm gonna go climb up to this.
Oh,
Climb. I could do one more. Moments before disaster. It would be very funny if I get my climb and Ryan doesn't.
look.
Up, please get up. Thank God. Yo, Ryan, we need some work. We need some work on here, bud. We need some work.